presentation in favor of Chapanawabganj Online School. How are you, my dear learners? I hope you are well, and I am also well by the grace of Allah. At first, take the well wishes from the core of my heart. I want to introduce myself with you. I am Rafi Ahmed, YouTuber of English with Rafia Ma'am, and assistant teacher at Greenview High School. Okay learners, in today's class, I want to show you something at first. Do you want to see? Yes, I think everyone wants to see. Okay? So please look at me very carefully. Can you see what is this? Yes, this is what? This is mango. And after that you see what is this? This is a fish. Okay. And after that you see what is this? This is a marker pen. And you see what is this? This is an elephant. And last one, what is this? This is an orange. You have seen many things, okay? So, can you get what may be our today's topic? Yes, try to guess what may be our today's topic. Okay, yes, our today's topic is about article. Okay? And in this class, you have seen something is mango and something is elephant or orange. That means you have told an elephant or an orange and a mango. So our today's topic is about indefinite article, not definite article. In our next class, we will take our class about definite article, and today we will discuss about indefinite article. Okay? Indefinite article. Okay, you know a, an, and the. These are called actually article. Okay, and do you know how article is used? Is it used based on letter or pronunciation? Many students or many learners think that article is used based on letter, but this is not correct. Actually, article is used based on pronunciation. When you will see any vowel sound, then you will use an. Okay, and will be used for what? For vowel sound, not vowel. Okay, and a will be used for consonant sound. Consonant sound. Okay. Okay, dear learners, you see for apple. You have told me for apple what? This is an apple, because here you see vowel sound. Okay, and if it is fish, what will be here? As this is fish, here you will write a fish. Okay. Okay, learners, you know about this normal thing, but I want to teach you in this class something very exceptional. Okay, so please attention to me very carefully. At first, you see what is this? This is our, and after that you see honorable. Okay, here H is hidden. Okay, we are pronouncing like our, like honorable. That means it is like starting from the letter O, and here sound, here you see the first letter is consonant. Okay, as the first letter is consonant, you will give here A. Okay, but you see here the sound is vowel sound like our, So for this region, you have to give here what? Of course, and for the result of honorable, the same. You have to use again and. Yes? Yes, of course. And like this, you see honest, honors graduate. Okay? Although the letter starts from the consonant letter, but sound is vowel sound. So you have to use here and. Okay, learners? Next one, next exceptional you see here, use of you. Okay? What may be the word use of you? Can you tell me? Write on the comment box what may be the word which starts from the letter U. What may be? Yes, this is about university. Okay? University. Okay. Think over this word. University. And here first letter is U and this is vowel. But you have to keep in mind, if the pronunciation of U is like U, then you have to use here A instead of N. Okay? I am telling you again. At the time of U, if the pronunciation is like U, then you have to use A instead of N. Okay? So you will use here a university, or he is a university student, not N. Okay? Not N. And what may be the another word which starts from the letter U? Can you tell me? And the pronunciation of U is like U. Okay. Try to tell me what may be the new word. Yes, the new word is Union Council. Okay? Union Council. Here, union pronunciation is like U. Okay? So, what will be the article here? N. No, not N. Here, of course, A. And can you tell me the another words which starts from the letter U and pronunciation is like U? What may be? Tell me the word in the comment box. Okay? And you will see just a normal thing. Umbrella. Umbrella. This starts from the letter U, but here pronunciation is not like U. You cannot pronounce it umbrella. We pronounce it umbrella. Okay? So as it is umbrella, so here you will give article N. Okay? Okay, dear learners, there are something exceptional also. Okay, we will see. This is UE. What is this? This is UE. That means the female gender of lamb. Okay. Though the letter starts with the word E, but here pronunciation is U. Yes. So here article will be what? Can you tell me? What will be the article here? A or N? A or N? Yes, of course, A. And another word you see, European. Okay? European. Here you see the word European, and this word starts with the letter E, though it is vowel, but here pronunciation is like European. So what will you use here? A or N? Of course, A. Okay, dear learners, I will show you many exceptional things in this class. Okay, then look at this. one. That means you can write here one-eyed man. Here the word starts with the letter O, and you know this is also vowel. But if you see O is pronounced like wa, if O is pronounced like wa, then you have to use here A instead of N. You will write here a one-eyed man. Okay, not an one-eyed man. And here you see just one thing, this is one. This is not like on. Of course, this is one. Okay, you can see here 1 taka note or 100 taka note, but everything will be one. Okay, and sometimes you see some abbreviated word like MBBS. Okay, and again you see LLB, again you see BA. Okay, these all are abbreviated word. And what will be the article here? Look at this. Here this is MBBS. Okay, this is BA, LLB. So listen to me very carefully. Here pronunciation is MBBS, aim. So this is like vowel sound. Okay, though the letter is capital, the letter is consonant, but sound is vowel sound. Okay, so what you will use here? A or N? Can you tell me? A or N? Of course N, because here sound is vowel, MBBS. After that you see the word starts with the letter L, and this is also consonant, but pronunciation is LB, LLB. Okay, L. So again vowel N. Here you see BA. Here the letter is also consonant and sound is also consonant sound. Okay, BA. So what will be? A or N? Of course A. Okay, learners, and like this you can see many words like SI, like FCPS, and you will write what will be the article here. I will not tell you. Okay, so learners, in this class I have tried my best to show you the exceptional thing on article, not like the normal thing. You know the normal thing like apple, like fish, there will be an A, but all these things are very, very exceptional. Okay, and you know our today's class is about article and language game. Okay, so now we will play a language game. Okay, and because you know by playing game you can also know many things and you can enjoy yourself also. Okay, do you want to play with me? Yes, of course. Okay, now look at me. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, I know you can tell. This is a marker pen. But I am telling you, no, this is not a marker pen. Now, your question. So, what is this, ma'am? Yes? You see, this is marker pen. But I am telling you, no, this is not a marker pen. So, what may be this? Okay, I will tell you what may be this. Wait. Okay? And now I will act something with this. And you have to tell what may be the thing. And who can tell first? Okay? Now I will act something with this. Okay? So, yes, can you see me? Yes. What may be? Or this is like, what may be this? You everyone know this. Yes, this is very common thing to you. This is mobile phone. Very good. So now can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is mobile phone. Okay, but I am telling no, this is not a mobile phone. So what may be it? Now it is like what? Now can you tell me? Yes, of course. Hurry up. Yes, this is about cricket bat. Good. Okay, you are telling this is cricket bat. But again, I am telling you no, this is not a cricket bat. Again, ask me, what is this, ma'am? Yes. This is what may be this is like what may be? Can you tell me? Yes, of course, this is hair comb. Okay, this is hair comb. Thank you. Do you want to say anything else? Yes, of course. Okay, now what is this? You know this is hair comb, but I am telling no, this is not a hair comb. So what may be this? This is what may be this? Can you tell me? Yes, of course. Who can tell? This is about ice cream. Thank you very much. Okay, dear learners, today we will complete our class here and see you again in my next live class with you. So, wish you all the best.